Today we're going to see 1133 Chicago Avenue, Unit 3E. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo is just steps away from downtown Oak Park. Newly constructed in 2017, this building is LEED Gold certified, built to the highest standards of eco-green, healthy living. Lovely outdoor balcony with direct water connection, potential gas line. Fabulous building. As we enter, we come into the open concept living space with your living room, dining room, kitchen. And their kitchen has an extra special feature with this built-in dry bar. You can put cocktail tables, easily entertain. We've got our teak decking outdoor space with retractable screen door. We've got LED lighting, state-of-the-art HVAC system. The kitchen is an upgraded appliance package from Perch. Instead of a microwave, you have a convection steam, which is amazing. Your hood is a direct vent to the outside. All the cabinets are soft close. The master suite is totally private. The sound proofing between walls, you wouldn't even know that you have neighbors. You've got a lovely walk-in closet, a beautiful ensuite master bath with double sinks, a large walk-in shower, and if a bathtub is your desire, there's one on the other side in the second bath. We head down the hall. You've got 3 large storage closets. Going into bedroom number 2, it is the only carpeted bedroom with a large closet. The rest of the bedrooms and the unit are all hardwood floors. Bedroom number 3, currently home to our Peloton. Great stay-at-home option with another large closet. The second full bath is just here to our left, and you have your tub option here. Directly across the hall, you've got your laundry room, side-by-side washer dryer, laundry chute, high-end appliances. As we head down to the lobby, we have a special treat at 1133. Unit 3E owns 2 side-by-side parking spaces in this heated garage, extra storage at the front. You also have your very own storage closet. Just 8 miles outside of downtown Chicago, 1133 Chicago Avenue, Maple Place is a fabulous new home.